Welcome guys, in this video I'm going to show you how we can pair these headphones from Denon to your iPhone. So to do this we have to simply activate the pairing mode, and first of all just be sure that your headphones are turned off, and next we have to use this button, that's the power button. We have to click and hold it until this indicator starts blinking white. So let's do this right now. Click and hold this button and take a look for the indicators. Okay, as you can see right now it's blinking, so we can release that button. And next we can simply go to the settings, go for the Bluetooth, click on the switcher in the right upper corner, and then wait until our device pops on other devices list. Select them once. And as you can see right now we are successfully connected. And that's all for this video. Hope you like it. Remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.